Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. In this video I'll discussing about how to buy Bitcoin or altcoin in your country through Binance P2P. Basically P2P stand for peer to peer or person to person. So first of all, why P2P method is better than OTC trading? Because P2P trading allow users to exchange cryptocurrency quickly and on best terms. Then I'll discussing about is P2P safe in Binance. Fundamentally P2P trading is more convenient than your traditional crypto exchange, but trading with other users also come with its own set of risks. At Binance P2P provide an escrow services that ensures safe and fair trading. Then why is Binance P2P more expensive? In general, Binance P2P exchange come with very high spreads because of their limited volume. Then what is the difference between P2P and spot wallets? So peer-to-peer is simply the process by which a transaction is carried out, while spot wallets are basically where you save or store your currencies before executing any form of trade. So let's open your Binance account. If you don't have Binance account, first register and complete KYC. You will find complete blog how to register and complete KYC in description below. Then just click on P2P trading and click on three dots in the upper left corner of P2P homepage. Then just click on payment method, add a payment method, all payment methods. Basically Binance P2P provide 300 payment methods including debit card, credit card and in-person cash payments, or bank transfer remains one of the most popular payment method on the Binance platform. For example, I have Easy Paisa in Pakistan. I just search Easy Paisa PK only and click on it, then fill out complete details and click on confirm. So I have already attached my Easy Paisa. Then come back on P2P homepage. In homepage you will find many filters, for example amount, payment method and filters. In amount you can set how much you want to buy or sell in fiat and click confirm, and in payment you can set your desired sending or receiving methods, and in filter you can set many filters in P2P trading on Binance. For example, I want to buy 10,000 worth of USDT. I just click on amount and set then 10,000 and click on confirm. Then I choose my payment method, Easy Paisa PK only, and in filter you will fill complete details and click on yes. Then come back and click on buy, then and fill fiat amount or by crypto amount. So I fill in fiat amount 10,000. Then I just click buy with zero fee. Then I just send payment on stranger party through Easy Paisa. First select here your payment method. So I select my payment method Easy Paisa PK only. Then I just send 10,000 rupees on stranger party through Easy Paisa. Then I just click on notify the seller to release crypto. So he will release her crypto when you complete P2P payment. So this is my video regarding Binance P2P. Hope you like it, hope you love it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.